I learned about B-Mobile through a friend. His name is Ian Velasco.
Nalaman ko yung B-Mobile nung time na nag-a-apply ako ng bagong trabaho. Kasi yung taong nabigay sa akin ng Flores, sabi niya daw, pwede daw magbago yung buhay.
Actually, a friend of mine, he mentioned to me about B-Mobile. And one of the reasons why I was actually convinced, kasi not because he was a friend of mine, but he was, pagdating sa pera, he's very particular sa mga negosyo-negosyo. And I knew na pag sinabi niya na magandang opportunity, talagang magandang opportunity.
Galing kami sa London, long dito, long doon. And I experienced, sabi nga na we look okay, but we're not really okay. As a matter of fact, the sad part there is, before B-Mobile, she is a scholar. Doon sa ng ate ko, my sister, we are considered the parents, pero hindi namin mapag-aral yung youngest daughter ko.
It was kind of rough because it's hard living without your parents. Yeah, it's hard, especially when you need to buy stuff in school. So what I do, I ask money from my classmates instead, and I'll pay them the following week.
Dati akong janitor, nakatira ko dati sa Payatas. Hindi ako kumita sa Payatas dahil alam ko lang hanap buhay yun. Hanap buhay lang siya. Paikot-ikot na yung buhay ko sa labas. At minsan din experience ko rin magkakot ng basura.
Life in the US, simple lang po. There are times na makapag-relax ka, but most of the time you're up on your feet. You really have to work sa US. Doon kasi it can be very stressful at times sa US. I mean, it's not a joke.
Anyway, yung aming first week alone, when we decided to join in January 12, 2011, first week, 22,000 kagad ang kinita, no? Third month, we earned about 500. So, ibig sabihin talagang, it's really true. Okay? And the good thing about it, we broke our record. We earned the first million in 4 months.
Experience ko nung una, nung sumali sa B-Mobile, 2009 ako sumali, wala akong income din yun kasi last money ko in-invest ko yun. 9 AM the morning, ginagawa ko, nagpa-flyers na ako sa Robinson Galleria. Isang beses na ako may isang araw, tanghalian ko, tubig lang, tas biscuit. Nakasurvive ako, mahirap explain kasi actually kahit mitsing kong galing wala eh. Pamasahe, naglalakad ako galing ko papuntang Ortigas. And then everyday ko ginagawa na hindi rin nila alam na kinisin mo lang. Pero malalang kasi dahil ako eh. Dati hindi ako makakain dahil hindi ko alam paano simulan yung business. Pero natutunan ko yung sistema, hindi ko na sinishare ko sa kanila. Maniwala na sila, lagi-lagi sa kanya.
With B-Mobile lifestyle, no? How B-Mobile changed my life. Before, ako yung humihingi ng tulong. But ngayon, I'm glad to say na ito yung gusto ko talaga dati. Yung ako yung palagi na ngayon nagbibigay ng tulong nga ngayon.
Yung pag-step mayayain ako. Then, sobrang binago ni B-Mobile yung ako mismo. So ako, nabago sa akin yung personality ko na I can talk to people kasi gusto ko lang i-share yung business.
We pay off all our debts. Now we have savings and we're planning for even buying a new house.
A big change for me was the mere fact na bilang isang anak ka, you can help out your family, you can help your parents. Now it's payback time.
Yung pinaka na hindi ko makalimutan is yung first time ko pong nakakain ng chicken nugget po sa McDo dahil sa B-Mobile. Kasi dati po sa Payatas, minsan po kinakain lang po namin is yung pagpag din. Pero nung simula nung kumain ng first time sa chicken nugget, naging positive po. Sabi ko na po, dito sa B-Mobile lahat makakain ngayon. Yung po yung pinaka, hindi ko makalimutan sa B-Mobile po.
With unforgettable experiences, there was one instance na I talked to this person, and after a business meeting with this person, he asked me for my certification with V-Mobile. He asked me for my financial statement for the last 3 months. So what I did, pumunta ako sa bank, kumuha ko ng financial statement, and I got the certification. The following day, pumunta ako sa kanya, and I showed it to him. Tuntua siya, wow, this is great. Pinakita ko siya na, this is my earnings, ganyan. And sa awa ng Diyos, hindi pa rin siya nag-join.
It doesn't matter kung anong edad mo, it doesn't matter kung anong experience mo sa buhay, kung anong disability mo. Ang importante dito, alam mo yung ginagawa mo, nilalagay mo sa puso mo, at sinasabi mo sa lahat ng tao na itong ginagawa mo ay para sa pamilya mo, para na makatulong.
One thing about V-Mobile, alam mo yun, when you mature, parang yung dreams mo as a family, especially with me and my husband, parang nawawala na, parang gusto mo na isuoli kay Lord eh. Parang it feels like hindi na yata achievable. But with V-Mobile, nagkaroon kami ng financial breakthrough. So now, parang we see ourselves living in a brand new house. Yun yung pinakamaganda sa lahat dito, yung financial breakthrough na nangyari sa buhay.
This is an opportunity na kinuha namin as a regular person. We were able to achieve something. And if you wanted to achieve that specific something, set a goal in life. And this is what I did. So if you wanted to do this business, find time to learn the business correctly.
Sa akin po, ang natutunan ko, once na-invest ka sa B-Mobile, mahalin mo yung business mo, ituring mo siyang parte ng katawan mo, na hindi mo siya kalimutan na hugasan, linisan, bilisan, kailangan mo pag-aralan mo na. Kasi sabi nga nila, yung word na earn is came from the word learn. Kailangan mo na mag-aral na tayo bago tayo kumita. Hindi tayo binigyan ng pagsubok ni Lord God na hindi natin kaya. Kaya wala po imposible. Lahat dito sa B-Mobile po, walang posible, lahat posible po.